Magic Light AI Review. Is this AI tool worth your time? So Magic Light AI is a web-based AI-powered video generation platform designed to create faceless AI videos using a credit-based system. It's advertised to produce professional animations from text prompts aimed at creators who need quick, automated video generation. And the tool is accessible through the both free and paid plans. So the pros of Magic Light AI is it has a user-friendly interface. It also has a free plan available. It has fast rendering times, and it has a growing community and development. The cons, though, it has poor Trustpilot ratings, and they have support issues. The credit system frustrations and also have some hidden charges. They have limited feature reliability, and the subscription and cancellations have some problems. So, apparently, according to some users, it is a scam, and they have been ripped off by $30 without a single end product, and they have a lot of hidden flaws. So, in conclusion, is it legit? Well, the real platform behind the name offers a functioning service, but overall, its reliability and trustworthiness are highly questionable, so it's clearly almost like a scam.